Nice! Nice! This is my baby sister's first car wash. First car wash. Now, look, it's going to be an IMO. It's IMO car wash. Hey!
Sam, can you not spoil the video?
What about me?
Just mention Sam.
Triple foam we're going to get. Or I'll take my seatbelt off.
No, because we move through it, don't we?
There could be a high impact collision in
This
there.
is me.
I could,
No, I don't want. I'm filming.
Do you not like it?
I don't like the lack of control.
Mom.
Yes, I
Constantly wanting to touch the brake, thinking you're not supposed to.
I remember you saying this now.
And then I was convinced I was going to stall the whole way through, so I had to put the clutch down the whole way through, so I just couldn't work out what I needed to do.
Mom, Matt won't get me in the video.
Matt, can you film Sam as well?
Here's my brother. Nice. He's just being a bit silly. Nice. Oh. Here we go. Nice. 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 Nice.
Sorry?
Here's the car.
I get in the triple foam in front, look.
There's the triple foam.
Thank you. And then wash 3, please. Thank you very much.
Oh, we're getting a bit
Love
of
it,
their
thank
triple
you very
foam,
much.
Matt. Look, can you see it going on their car? It shows up really well on
Oh
their
yeah,
car.
blue, yellow and
Because it's
purple.
black.
Yours.
Well, our car's green, isn't it?
There she is.
Thank you.
Nice. Sam, I wish my Sam, please may stop.
In advance, like you.
Sorry, it's just my brother being silly. Oh.
Video of his baby sister's
When you
first
need a
ever car.
fiver for shopping or parking or something. Right.
Sam, stop it. I want to film. Nice.
What does Daisy think?
Is she okay?
Yes, he's a little bit worried.
You okay, Daisy? It's fine. I think Matthew's actually going to pay for she can do her window in a minute. It's just like very heavy rain, Daisy.
That's only just like rain. It's only water.
Don't try and get the camera from.
Whoa! Do it to me. Do it to my window.
Oh, it's alright, darling.
It's alright, Daisy. Alright. What's going to happen to you? No, it's not. I just know. Here we go. Here we go. Nice. Oh, nice. I hope Daisy doesn't cry on the car wash.
You hope she does.
I hope she doesn't.
Oh, you hope she does.
It'd be funny in the video. I'm just excited for the car. Nice. Here we go. Nice.
Triple foam.
Here we go. We're getting in. There we go. IMO.
Handbrake off.
Yeah, engine off, on. What does it say? Engage neutral, yeah. Switch off engine except vehicle to keyless ignition. Do not remove key. Right, right. Brakes off, neutral. Go.
Wow! Can't even see! Daisy can't even see!
Yeah.
This is what I don't like, you see. Look, you can't see. Look at the triple foam, boys.
Whee.
And girl. Ooh, I've got blue, yellow, pink.
Your purple.
Here we go.
I can smell it. It smells nice.
Oh, you see the tubes colour? Here's the phone.
Isn't it
Is she okay?
Yeah.
like a ghost train?
She alright? Yeah? Is she okay? He's smiling at her, so she knows it's okay.
Look. Daisy, look. No. No. What's that thing? No. Not touch that. Ooh, what's that funny?
Oh, they haven't got the swishy things at the end here, Matt, though. That's a shame, isn't it?
Oh, she was okay.
Yeah, did she like it?
Yeah.
Good.
She's
Well done, Daisy. Give her a big
Got some
clap.
more soap coming on here.
This is the wax, is it?
This.
Wax.
Good work. Maybe there might be invisible swish things. Maybe. No, there isn't invisible ones.
She's trying it now.
With Mr. Stageout.
What? Look at me on the front window. Daisy, it's just drying us. The dryer.
These videos.
It's the dryer. Oh, look.
Oh, that's alright. I take it all back. It goes lovely and clean, though. See where it's all dirty on the inside there.
Yeah.
That was a good wash.
Um,
Get ready.
Whoa. So you know Daisy likes the car wash now. She said,
That was good, wasn't it?
yeah.
That was a good car wash.
Daisy loved it.
I'm glad you obeyed all the instructions.